Anyway, I am here to apologize to everyone, to those Filipino Americans, that I'm the one who endorsed Donald Trump. I know there's a war with Iran, there was a war in the Middle East, the assassination of Ali Khamenei. I know Donald Trump was being brainwashed by Benjamin Netanyahu to attack Iran as well. But remember, I should never endorse Donald Trump anyway. I should listen to Ate Mirasol. You know, Ate Mirasol says to me, Ate Mirasol says to me, you should endorse Kamala Harris. It is a better for the American people in the US election in 2024. But I failed. I joined with Carl Bilus. I joined with Arvatera, Victor Martin Soriano. And who else? I joined Best Pills, Ardel Guerrera Castillo, Arbatera, Victor Martin Soriano, and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, and Victor Martin Soriano, I joined with them. Even Felix Sabines, I joined also with him also. Even Carl Bilus. I am the one who endorsed Donald Trump. You know, that was in the group chat, that time, but I'm the one who responsibility that I endorsed Donald Trump, and we do not know what's really happened. But I apologize everyone, even to Teacher Gia Malana, Teacher Kel, who was living there in the US, even Kuya Percy Bal. I know this Donald Trump is gonna deport Filipinos. Because I know Donald Trump is a true asshole. I said that last 2020. That's why my dad criticized Donald Trump. He said, sira ulo talaga si Donald Trump. That's why. I always idolize Donald Trump. I want peace with Russia and Ukraine. To develop the peace agreement. To stop the war in Eastern Europe. Even the war in the Middle East, like Israel and Hamas and Palestine, they want to make end of wars. They want to make peace. And I know I was being scammed by Trump supporters. I'm the one who endorsed Donald Trump. Previously, 2022, I'm the one who endorsed Bongbong Marcos. Now I got scammed by Marcos loyalists. And even Ate Isa got scammed by a Marcos loyalist. That mean nabudol na tayo, like what we realize that we are being scammed. I just wanna apologize to everyone, to all Filipino Americans, and to all of OFWs who are in the United States, even Teacher Kel, Teacher Gia Malana, and even the others. I'm just gonna say, I'm the one who endorsed Donald Trump. I apologize to Juanes Impact, my good friend, that I'm the one who endorsed Donald Trump. I told to Juanes, he's going to deport Filipinos who were non-American citizens. That's not will not be happen. I said that the Trump are close ally with the Marcoses. I know this is my fault. I've been doctrined by Carl Villos. I was been doctrined by Eddie Smith and even the other Trump supporters. Even Midnight 123 last year. I was been doctrined by Victor Martin Soriano, Arbatera, Best Pills, Ardel Guerrera Castillo, even Felix Sabines. I know this is my fault that I'm the one who endorsed Donald Trump. Donald Trump is not my idol anymore. My idol only is Tucker Carlson. Tucker Carlson now was endorsed in US election in 2028. I hope he will win if he defeated Donald Trump. Because it is my fault that I endorsed Donald Trump eh. I know Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin are close relations. That's approved to me. And attacking Iran, that's not approved at me. Because, you know, Ate Mirasol said to me, in Canada, when I heard from Kuya Dong, when he drive a car, when Paulo Siaco was in the college, in Canada, there's a oil price hike in Canada. Because there's a tension in the Middle East, like Iran and Israel. And now, what you can see, the oil price hike is higher because this Donald Trump was being brainwashed by Benjamin Netanyahu. I know Netanyahu is responsibility of this. It's not really America's war. It's really Israel's war against Iran. So, as I hope, let's wait for the US election. If Ate Mirasol endorsed Kamala Harris, while me, I endorse Tucker Carlson, even Carl Vilus is endorsing Donald Trump, even Mark Cruz, that will never be happen.